Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change the display language on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. If your feed, menus, or settings appear in a language you don't prefer, don't worry. This quick guide will help you switch it in just a few steps. First, open x.com on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the More icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy from that list. Next, click on your account. Under this section, choose Account Information. For security reasons, X might ask you to confirm your password at this stage. Enter your password, then click Next to continue. Now, go to the Languages option. Here, you'll see your current app language and preferences. Click to open app and post languages. This is where you can customize both the display language for your X interface and the preferred languages for tweets and posts you want to see more often. To change your display language, use the search bar to find the one you want. They start typing the language's name like English, Spanish, or Japanese and select it from the list when it appears. Once you've chosen your desired language, click Next to save your new setting. After completing this step, X will refresh automatically or prompt you to reload the page. You'll now see the entire interface, menus, buttons, and navigation displayed in the language you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the display language on X using the latest web update. It's a simple way to make your account feel more comfortable and personalized to you. If this video helped, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful and stay tuned for more quick tutorials like this one.